specialized details stay unverified now. On the off chance that we needed to figure, we'd say the Bronco's base powertrain will be a turbocharged EcoBoost V6 motor and a 10-speed programmed transmission. A model particular rendition of the 2018 F-150's 3.0-liter turbodiesel V6 could be offered as a more proficient option, however a Turbo 4 looks improbable because of the model's size and weight. In any case, insiders propose there are speculative plans for a fuel-electric crossbred rendition. Today, the main topless 4x4 with body-on-outline development is the ageless Wrangler. The Bronco will revive a decades-old competition by contending in an indistinguishable section from the all-new Jeep. That is the reason rough terrain cleaves and a modest, straightforward method for going topless are so critical. Horse creation is probably booked to begin in Ford's Michigan gathering plant in 2020. That implies it will make its presentation 1 year from now, conceivably at the Detroit Auto Show, and the primary cases will touch base in showrooms in time for the 2021 model year.